Ace McDougal, he's got a goofy grin. He's just an ordinary kid. A silly cold word in the wrong dentist chair. Now watch the mayhem begin. There's nothing he can't do. He's got a brand new attitude. His world has been turned upside down. There's chaos lurking all around. Everybody wants to get him. Everybody's out to get him. Everybody's joining in with the chase for Ace. Everybody wants to get him. Everybody's out to get him. Everybody's joining in with the chase for Ace. Get Ace. Get Ace.
Hugo, quick! Chameleon ray!
Do I interrupt your hobbies?
You stole my moon rock! Well, you shouldn't have stolen my ticket to Humungous Man on Ice! I didn't steal your stupid ticket! Hugo, the vaulting pole!
Hey, McDorkle, seen my Yeti trap? Come on, you know my Yeti trap. Dad gave it to me when I was 3.
Potterpuff's diamante collar! It's been stolen! There must be a cat burglar in the neighborhood. But don't worry, Tina. I'll catch him.
So we're looking for a thief with absolutely no style
He also stole my ticket to Humungous Man on Ice.
or taste.
Look! I was born to skate as Humungous Man.
That rule has been cast, Ned.
But, Mumsy, you're paying for this whole show. You can change the cast.
Not when we're opening tomorrow, Ned. Remember, this isn't just about putting on the biggest ice extravaganza in Fun Park City's history. It's about luring Ace McDougal here and stealing his braces!
But really, who could play Humungous Man better than me?
Oh,
I simply must have more time.
we open tomorrow, Mr. DeVere. There is no more time.
But I need to really nail Humungous Man's character. What drives him to be a hero? The audience wants to know.
Trust me, they don't.
You're selling tickets because Frederick DeVere is playing Humungous Man. Oh, they're so hot they're even being stolen.
Stolen?
Not that I'm one to gossip, but I heard young Ace McDougal's ticket was stolen this morning.
What? Someone stole my lip collection.
I had 3 small glass rabbits. Not anymore.
My opalized dinosaur egg gone.
Here's the plan. We set up a stakeout in Claudia's treehouse. Let's draw straws to partner up.
Of course, when in doubt, form a mob. Whatever happened to the art of the detective? Pursuing clues with intellectual rigor.
You first, Tina. Maybe we'll get the first shift together. There's a romantic full moon tonight. Hey, Face, you're right. The full moon is romantic. Hugo, night vision goggles.
Some of us are trying to sleep.
Grappling hook, Hugo. You think the moon is real, Face? Face?
I'm in position. Now, Mumsy.
Hurry up and see if his ticket really has been stolen.
Not fair.
Ned? You stole my ticket to Humungous Man on Ice?
I'm a supervillain, not a thief.
Hugo, electrostatic hand!
I'm not a night person. Why can't you respect that?
Ow! Ow! Is this necessary?
Shh! I don't want Becky seeing you here. She already thinks I'm weird enough. Come on. Ow!
Stop! You rabbit thief!
Did you break my trap?
Nope. But look, Ace's donut.
McDougal, he's gonna pay!
Oh, don't be upset, Mumsy, but Ace's ticket was definitely stolen.
Oh, I loathe thieves.
Me too, Mumsy. Loathsome, blah.
So, if we're going to steal Ace's braces at tomorrow's performance, we'll have to replace that ticket.
About that,
For the last time, you cannot play Humungous Man. You have no charisma or talent. Am I right?
Oh, yeah. That's where I left my Yeti trap. Right. What are you doing in my backyard, McDorkle?
Does sleepwalking work for you?
You stole my bunny rabbit! He stole my moon rock, too!
You have caught the thief?
Thief! 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 Thief!
Stop! Face isn't a thief! Look!
Mopsy!
Oh, sorry, Mr. Smiley. We gotta let him go.
Oh, we're supposed to be friends! But look at you! You're acting like a pack of hungry animals!
Us! Animals! Huh?
It is a ridiculous analogy!
I am hungry, though.
Me too!
Examine the evidence, eliminate the impossible, and whatever remains must be the truth. It's elementary, my dear Ace.
My ticket! No, but I looked there already. Wait, Lunchbox chewed a corner off my ticket. What's with this?
A truly intriguing case. One that needs a crime-fighting duo to solve it.
Crime-fighting duo? You mean you and me? I'm in, buddy! Ah!
Now, our cunning adversary clearly wants you to attend this show. Therefore, I think we should.
Oops, sorry. Cool crime-fighting walkie-talkies. Face, do you want the frog or the pig? Athol, I don't know if we... I'll take the frog. Cool. I'm a pig.
And finally, we agree on something.
Mumsy!
Little pig to froggy. I'm in position. Over. I know. Me too. You didn't say over.
Oh, we are moving. But where is Claudia?
Athol, you wait here for Claudia. And, keep guard. Guard? Cool. I can do that, partner. Over and out.
This is the show of the century, and we have perfect seats.
It's a man in tights on ice. Clearly not one of the better centuries.
Now is the winter of our discontent. Oh, and I'm very cold. Sometimes the hero just has to skate to express himself. I feel so free.
Say what? Humungous Man doesn't dance? Ever! And the show bites! Hey, Froggy. This is the little pig. Claudia's being robbed again. Over. Here, take this. I've got to go. Okay, I've got the ticket. Now what, partner? Froggy? Face? Face?
It was here! My ruby ring! It was my favorite. I want it back!
Humungous man, have I become what they say I am?
It's like he's singing just to me. Look.
At last! These braces are mine! What are you doing here?
Well, you guys must be the baddies, so this is like reactive. Cool, I'm in.
Follow that heat trail, and we'll find our formidable adversary.
Weird. Gordon's house?
I'm letting you go. Just pretend this didn't happen.
No way! You're the bad guys! I'm supposed to interact! Yeah!
Ah! Oh, what is it, Ace? A clue?
Whoever came this way knows where all Gordon's traps are.
He knows where those traps are because he set them himself.
So, like it's Gordon Raynor? Or like his dad, Mr. Whoever?
No way!
This is like a chess game between two intellectual giants.
Look! I'm Moonrock!
Ha! Explain that, Gordon.
The trail is hot, and if I'm not mistaken, my brilliant, cunning nemesis is expecting me. Claudia's ring. You're the thief. You're my adversary.
Lulu? But...
Ned, get this buffoon, now!
Athol!
My shows are so cool! Athol! Athol! Froggy to little pig. Come in, little pig. Over?
There he is! Get him!
Hugo, function 25!
Oh, my stars.
See, Mumser? I can be a star.
Hey, Face, who's your friend? Now, Lulu, just because I caught you out, that's no reason to...
Picture the International Space Station. The music soars. The lead astronaut starts to sing.
Sorry, sing?
Of course, it's a musical. Words and music by moi, Trayvon. And because it's weightless up there, the choreography is, wait for it, out of this world. In space, no one can hear you sing. I just need investors, so how about it? Ned could even play an astronaut, permanently frozen in suspended animation. Mother?
Forget it.